Welcome. This tutorial is part 1 of organizing messages. In this tutorial, we will learn how to open and save an attached file. We will also learn how to organize content. Now, to open an attached file, go to File menu. Point to Open. Click on selected items. Now, to open this attached file, double-click on it. You can also open the attached file by selecting the file, right-click on it, click on Open. You can see the attached file. Now, to download the attached file, select the message. Go to File menu. Point to Save Attachment. Click on the file name. Select a destination for saving the file. Click on Save. This is how you can save an attached file to your computer. Now we will learn how to organize content with folders. To move a message to a different folder, select the message. Right-click on it. Click on Move to Folder. Select the folder where you want to move this message. Click on OK. You can see you have successfully moved an item to the designated folder. You can also create a new folder to organize your file. To create a new folder, go to New on the standard toolbar. Click on Folder. Type the folder name here. Select where you want to place the folder. Click on OK. This will add your created folder to the list. You can move any item to your created folder. Select a message, right-click on it, click on Move to Folder. Select My Folder, click on OK. This will move the message to your created folder. Select My Folder, click on OK. So this is how you can organize content within folders. You have successfully learned how to open and save an attached file and how to organize content within folders. Thank you.